Today I have a review for you on the new Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home Vegan Mascara. So the claims are mega volume, intense black lashes that last and last with no smudges, no flakes or clumps no matter how many times you layer. So I thought I would put it to the test. This is the wand. It's a multi-bristled wand and it is slightly tapered at the tip and it's a rather large tube. You get 10 grams of product and it's in her classic Trooper Black shade. And just to give you an idea of the size of the tip and the wand, I've lined it up against a couple of my other favourite multi-bristle wands. One is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir and the other is the Revolution Mascara by Revolution Beauty. So let's get on with applying the mascara. This is a vegan mascara that's ultra long wear and it is powered by plant-based fats. Usually in a lot of mascaras, beeswax is a common ingredient. But this one by Kat Von D is 100% vegan, and in place of the beeswax they have created a blend of olive and sunflower oils. So one of the first things I noticed with this mascara is that it is a slightly more drier consistency than some mascaras, and that did make me wonder how long this mascara is going to last in the tube. Obviously I've only just got it because it's just been released, so I can't answer that at the moment, but I can only hope that it isn't going to dry out too quickly because it is already a slightly thicker, drier consistency. Now one of the benefits to that is that your lashes tend to look a bit more fluffy. What you'll find with a slightly wetter consistency is that as you brush your lashes up to the very tip, they all come together as one, so you look like you've got less lashes. So this is 2 coats of the mascara, and as you can see my lashes do look super fluffy and there's lots of volume and drama going on, which definitely looks a lot better from a distance. When you're super up close like this, they can look a little bit spidery, but they do give you volume and drama and it is a very beautiful effect. I like that the brush is slightly tapered at the end because it means you can get in to coat those inner corner lashes. So although my lashes aren't clumping together, you can see they're quite fluffy. There is a bit of a chunky texture to the formula, so there are a few kind of lumps on the ends of my lashes. And it doesn't create too much mess and it's really easy to wipe away with a cotton bud. So I wore this mascara for 8 hours and I'm checking back in with you, and apart from having a bit more of a shiny forehead, you can see that my mascara literally hasn't budged. It's not smudged, my lashes haven't clumped together. You can see now that the formula is dry, it's not sticky. I can rub my fingers across my lashes and they don't stick together, and as you can see we're not getting any fallout. I think I had 1 or 2 tiny specks, but they really didn't smudge and they didn't flake. I also used a facial wipe to remove one side of the mascara, and I also used a cotton bud with some micellar water for the other eye, and it all come off incredibly easily. So overall I'm really impressed. It does say it's super black, but I would still say that the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit is the ultimate black mascara. But if you're looking for something that's vegan, cruelty free and gives you mega volume, then definitely check out the Go Big or Go Home Mascara by Kat Von D. This is not a sponsored tutorial, this is my own opinion. If you're interested in trying the mascara for yourself, I will leave a link to it in the description bar. Please give the tutorial a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. You can follow me outside of YouTube via my social handles, which will be on screen for you now, as will last week's tutorial if you missed it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!